Out today on a boat. Might stop at the locks when we get done fishing on the boat. We won't be fishing that long, maybe till like 6 or 5. It's about 80 degrees outside. Should be able to have a good day. It's just me and Casey today. Hopefully we can get some. Maybe a big one. It's got one. Whoa, that's a largemouth. No, that's a largemouth. Where's largemouth? Dude, look at that collar. It's a nice looking fish. I'm gonna try to.
That looks blue as the head does.
Yeah. Weird looking collar. First largemouth of the year. Was that a largemouth? Yeah. Got him on this crankbait. First one of the day for me. Casey had one on. There he goes. Sweet. Got one. Whoa! What is this? Walleye. Oh yeah. Got him. Kiki. Soon as hit the water.
Hey, hold on. Let's see which one.
That's a nice fucking sauger. Soon as it hit the water again. Ain't a bad sauger. One. Sauger. Oh, these little walleye. Tearing them up down here. We've only been here for like 30 minutes and we only got like 5 or 6. Ain't a bad day. We'll come back if we get any more. That's a nice smallie. That ain't bad. Coding this one. Ooh. That's a feisty one. 1.9. That's probably a 2. That ain't a bad one. Let's take a picture of him. Tearing him up down here. What is it, a sauger? Yeah. Doing good, just night crawling in a slip sinker rig. Walleye. Oh, splashing on me. Oh yeah, you're in a hole of them. Good hook set. Police heads, that's a double. Little sauger. Another sauger. Sauger. It's a walleye. It's a sauger. Guppies. That's all Casey catches. That's all he catches is guppies. Got him. Walleye. Got my line. Whoa! That's a nice one. Nice walleye. That's a nice one. Loosen it. Come on, baby. Oh, come unhooked. No, that's a walleye. Yeah, that's a freaking big one. Yeah, it is a nice one. Pretty fat. Just bent my pole in half. Whoa! Him. Guessing.
Hang on, oh, hold up. Grab him for a minute. Hold on.
Alright, you ready? 1 pound, 10 ounces. Ain't a bad walleye. Striper.
That's a big fucking crappie, dude.
Is it? That is a. Hey, I'll go down the wall for that, dude. That's a freaking huge crappie. Dude, here, I'll walk down the wall, Case. You want me to walk down to the wall?
No, real.
Really? Oh, dude, that is a freaking trophy crappie.
That's a fucking crappie, bro.
Huh? Dude. That's the biggest one I ever freaking seen. That's a... Man, look at the size of him. That is a huge crappie. He caught that on a freaking night crawler.
I swallowed it.
We gotta get a picture of him.
Pretty sure you can lip lock these bass. Yeah. Hold on, let me weigh him.
Here, I'm getting a picture of him too. Casey's freaking big crappie.
Hold on. Ready? No, hold on. You're pulling it. You can't pull it.
£1 pound, 8 ounces, dude.
That's bigger than the bass I caught today. That's crazy, dude. That's a big ass crappie.
That's a hell of a crappie. I'm gonna drop him down the wall. There he goes. It looks like a freaking striper in the water, dude. We're having a hell of a day over here. Just running the day here. Had a pretty good day. Pretty much ripped them on the worms. We ran out of worms, so we're getting ready to go. We'll be back soon with another video. As always, if you guys enjoyed this one, please subscribe. See you guys in the next fishing video. Bye.